Hey guys, today I finally got the opportunity to use a 3D printer for the first time. I know, I'm like 10 years late and everyone has got one by now. But still, I was so excited when the small piece of my window shades broke off, as it finally gave me an excuse to buy the 3D printer that's been on my wishlist for too long already. I was so close to buying it when my girlfriend casually mentioned that she's got one at work and that I could use that one instead of wasting $300 for a 10-cent repair. So in order to justify the investment, I'm going to break something more expensive. Anyway, the cool thing I didn't know of is that the printer isn't just a regular filament printer. Instead of heating solid filament and melting it onto the tool path, it's using liquid resin, which is solidified by a laser. Pretty cool, right? Also, it works the other way around and dips the base plate into the liquid, where the object is formed layer by layer. But first of all, we need to create a 3D model. After the model is finished, it is exported and transferred to the 3D printer. The printing process itself is less visible than with the filament printer because the object is submerged in the resin. However, you can see the laser zooming around, which is pretty fascinating. I could watch it for hours and actually had to because the whole process is very slow, even for a small part like this. When the print has finished, the parts need to be washed to remove any leftover resin. I touched one of the parts before washing it, and it's really sticky, and because it's still somewhat soft, your fingerprints will imprint on it. To wash the parts, they are lowered into a bath of isopropanol, where an ultrasonic cleaner shakes off any leftover particles. Once the parts are clean, they have to be dried in order to get to their final strength. After preheating the oven for about 15 minutes, I baked them until they are nice and crunchy with a golden crust. There were a few imperfections that had to be removed, which mostly came from the support structures. I also got one of the angles wrong, so I had to widen the cutout in the hole, but after that was done, it was a very nice fit. I reconnected it to the second part of the string holder and screwed everything back into place. I'm pretty happy with the end result. It is as good as new and the shades work like they're supposed to. All in all, I really enjoyed this little project and I'm looking forward to more 3D printing in the future. For more interesting projects, make sure to subscribe to this channel and I see you in the next video. Bye!